everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is the first, so February I was able to get 11 pages out of that kit. This one, those chipboard frames came from the February kit. I never used them, and so this one has 2 photos, and it's of my niece, so I figured how perfect. And then I'm going to put that purple pattern down onto the yellow, and then you're going to see me ruffling through the die cuts looking for the Easter stuff, because I was like, I know I have Easter stuff in the March kit. And then I realized, I didn't put June on. Usually I put the most current kit on the bottom of my stack, and I realized that I just put June on top. So that's the kit that you see here. And I've got my cutter bug in front of me, so I'm reaching to cut. I'm in my pajamas. I scrapbook when I get up. I need to take a day where I don't do anything but just scrapbook, watch TV. But here it is, July 10th. I still have so much I need to do. I want to get done accomplished before I go back to school August 3rd. So I'm looking for some washi tape. That's what I'm off doing. I don't know where this came from. Come on there. Let's see. Why isn't this not doing it? Let me see. I need to redo my table over here. Alright, so I'm going to put that back. That's my drawer. It's the 3-drawer organizer for washi tape. And I have more washi tape than that. I just have not put it in there. Oh, well, I did now. Organized it by color. Yeah. And it's almost full, so I actually need another one. I haven't gone to Tuesday morning in a while because I haven't been scrapbooking my stash because I'm behind on my hip kits, so that's all I've been doing. And I need to be using my Freckle Fawn too, because I resubscribed to that. So here you see me looking and like, where is it? I know I have. So I'm looking at the stickers. I'm like, what? I'm like, something is wrong. So I stopped the camera, and I think oh my goodness, Sabrina. She's wanting attention now too. Between the two of those two, oh my goodness. So I went ahead and I changed kits, and I made it so it's kind of almost the same yellow with the purple. And the purple background pattern is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet. And I'm sorry about Theo, he's such a pain. just kind of scrapbook around them. Otherwise, I wouldn't get the scrapbook. So here's where I'm going to pull out my Easter stuff. In this one, I'm on 6, 7. I think I'm going on page 8. Let me look and see. Yeah, I'm going on page 8 for the March kit. And I'm ready to move on to April. Now, what did I do that for? Let's put the wrong thing on paper. I was writing down, so I need to print. I have my before and after pictures of my flower beds, with the exception of the back, because it's still, I weeded it, and with all this rain we get in, the wildflowers are coming up nicely. They just have not bloomed yet. So I'm going to wait till it looks like the front before I take pictures. And I have my daisies to plant yet. I need to do that. And I also need to take cuttings because my zinnias are getting too top heavy. They're starting to fall. Alright, anyway, so the die cuts are Hip Kit Clubs. The frame is Simple Stories Hello Today chipboard frame from February Kit. Die cuts are Hip Kit Clubs Pretty Sweet. Enamel dots were just left over from past kit, and I used that towards the end. And I did not write down. Well, I used a chipboard sticker, that circle, big circle sticker in the right. Oh my gosh, Theo, he really took me up on this layout, bothering me. And that would be Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet as well. I'm titling this A Hunting We Will Go. This is an old Easter picture. This is not current because she is going into 1st grade. I think maybe she's even going into 2nd grade. Holy crap. So A We Will Go is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet Puffy alphabet stickers, and then Hunting is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet Puffy alphabet stickers as well. And of course that rainbow weed washi tape is from my stash. And then that pretty much covers everything. Just a matter of getting Theo to stop laying on my stuff so I can scrapbook. And I need to get these pictures and get them as drafts on my blog so I can work on that while I watch TV in the living room. I have a Bluetooth keyboard for my tablet so I can work on my put these layouts on my blog, which is my scrapbooking corner at blogspot.com. Come check me out. And so I'm trying to place it, figure out where to place it. And Theo's in my way, of course. And that's there is actually where I put it. And that's where I go with it. And so that is it. I do some white splatters to that, and you'll see that in the pictures. And other than that, that is it. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to my channel. I'm always looking for more subscribers, of course. I would like to grow my channel. Anyway, I thank you, and I'll be back with more. Bye.